Smart TV SLED 4K. Bring the cinema home. Realme Dare to Leap.
Android TV with smart features. We believe Realme Smart TV will emerge as your best choice if you seek a better TV experience. You will definitely have fun with Realme 4K SLED TV in your home with your family.
The noise. Realme.
Dynamic bass boost drivers, 25 hours long battery life with ANC off, and an ultra light and compact body, 6mm large dynamic bass boost drivers, LDAC codec with high-res certifications and low latency transmission, long lasting battery life in only a small light ultra
4GB, 64GB and 4GB, 128GB. The Realme 7i 4GB, 64GB is priced at Rs 11,999 only. The Realme 7i 4GB, 128GB is priced at Rs 12,999 only. The first sale for the Realme 7i will be on 16th of October, starting again from midnight. It will be available on Flipkart and Realme.com, and it will be available in the stores nearby you. Then comes to the most affordable electric toothbrush, Realme N1, and it will be priced at Rs 799 only. The first sale for the Realme N1 toothbrush will be on 16th of October, starting from midnight. It will be available on Realme.com, Flipkart, and soon it will be available in the stores nearby you. So, the next comes the Realme Smart Camera. The Realme Smart Camera is priced at Rs 2,999. The Realme Plug is priced at Rs 799. The first sale of Realme Plug will be on 16th of October at 12 midnight and available on Realme.com, Flipkart, and soon it will be available in the stores nearby you. Then the next comes is the Realme Selfie Tripod, which would be priced at Rs 1199. And the first sale will be from 13th 12 noon on Realme.com, Amazon, and soon it will be available in the stores nearby you. The Realme 20,000 mAh power bank which will be priced at Rs 1599, and the first sale will be from 16th 12 midnight on Realme.com, Flipkart, and soon it will be available in the stores nearby you. If you are afraid to miss any of the first sale, visit Realme.com and click notify me to get posted. Then let's unveil the ANC brothers. The best ANC neckband, Realme Buds Wireless Pro, will be priced at Rs 3,999. Exciting, isn't it? The best ANC TWS earphones for Android, Realme Buds Air Pro, will be priced at Rs 4,999. Finally, let's unveil the biggest superstar today. The 55-inch Realme Smart TV SLED 4K featuring the world's first SLED 4K display, 24-watt quad stereo speakers with Dolby Audio, premium bezel-less design, brilliant remote with convenient hotkeys, and many awesome features that can bring you an flagship cinematic view experience. How much does it take to bring the cinema to your home? Well, the Realme Smart TV SLED 4K 55-inch is priced at Rs 42,999 only. To have a more immersive home theater audio system, you can also pick up the Realme soundbar at Rs 6,999 from 16th of October, 12 midnight on Realme.com, other e-commerce partners, and soon in the offline stores nearby you. That's not the end of today. I have one more thing to announce. We have indeed presented amazing tech lifestyle products today. However, as we are approaching Diwali, I am presenting our Diwali gifts to every price for Realme Smart Camera would be 2,599, available on Realme.com, Flipkart, and soon in the offline stores nearby you. The real Diwali first sale price for Realme Buds Air Pro would be 4,499, available again on Realme, Flipkart, and the stores nearby you. The real Diwali first sale price for Realme Buds Wireless Pro will be Rs 2,999 only, and available again on Realme.com, Amazon, and soon it will be available in the stores nearby you. The first sale and real Diwali prices of all these products will go live on 16th of October from midnight. The real Diwali first sale price for the Realme Smart TV SLED 4K 55-inch will be Rs 3,000 off at Rs 39,999 only. Pre-bookings will start from 16th of October 12 midnight on Realme.com, Flipkart, and soon in offline stores. Mark your dates as they are the best time to get these products at the best prices. For more details, please refer to Realme official handles and Realme community.